Assalamu alaikum. Struggling to solve system of equations with quadratic and linear terms. In this video, I will show you how to solve x squared plus y squared is equal to 16 and 4x minus 2y is equal to 12 step by step and reveal the value of x plus y. Whether you are a student or a math enthusiast, this tutorial will make solving these equations a breeze. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, I am gonna name these equations like this. The solution will be like, let me name this quadratic equation as x squared plus y squared is equal to 16, and let me name it as equation 1, and then I got 4x minus 2y is equal to 12. So let me name it as equation 2, and as I have to find x plus y, so let me name it as equation or required equation. To solve this, I will take the approach that first I will isolate one of the variables from this linear equations. In order to do so, I will just simplify this given equation, now linear equation. Like I have equation 2 implies that, let me use it and make some simplification into this equation, like 4x minus 2y is equal to 12. I can see that I can take 2 common from all the elements. So taking 2 common, that will left me with 2x minus y is equal to 12. Now I will divide 2 on both sides of the equality, dividing 2 here and dividing 2 here. So this will cancel with each other and I will be only come up with 2x minus y, and when 12 is divided by 2, I will get 6. Stuck on how to substitute y into the circle equation or quadratic equation? Don't worry, I will guide you through the process of expanding and simplifying the equation to solve for x. So stick around because the solution is just a few steps away. Alright? So let's continue. So now it is much easier for me just to isolate the one variable whose coefficient is 1. So here I can see that x has a coefficient of 2 and y has a coefficient of 1. So it is easy for me just to isolate y. Alright, so let me do that. Like it is negative, so I will do x plus y minus y. I am just adding y on both sides of equality as I have to make it positive. So here this will get cancelled and we will be left with 2x is equal to 6 plus y. And now subtracting 6 from both sides, I will get 2x and here 6 plus y minus 6. So this will cancel with this 6. So y will have a value of 2x minus 6. Now this equation actually expresses y in terms of x. I will substitute value of y into this quadratic equation. Alright, so let me replace value of y with 2x minus 6 into this equation. So equation 1 would become like x squared plus y has a value of 2x minus 6 squared is equal to 16, and it is x squared plus 2x squared less squared minus 2 times 2x times 6, as I have used the identity, and here 16 will be as it is. For this expansion, I have used the identity as we know that a minus b whole squared, that is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a b. Here a is the first term, b is the second term. So in this bracket 2 is the first term, so I have treated this 2x as a, and 6 is the second term, so I have treated this 6 as b or second term. Alright, so I have expand this bracket according to this identity. So continuing with our calculation, from here I will get x squared plus this will give us 4x squared plus 6 squared is 36, and now this one 2 times 2 will give us 4, and 4 times 6 is 24, so minus 20 or x is equal to 16. Now adding these two will give me 5x squared minus 24x plus 36 is equal to 16. To make it 0, I will subtract 16 from both sides, 16 from here and 16 from here. So that will get me 5x squared minus 24x, and this will result me plus 20 is equal to 0. So this is the equations I have got out after a few steps. Now I can clearly see that it is quadratic equation nx. So that has a solution like according to quadratic formula. It is x is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2a. Now a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is a constant. Now substituting these values into this formula, so that will give us x is equal to minus 24 plus minus 24 squared minus 4 times a is the coefficient of x squared, that is 5, and now here c, that is constant, is equal to 20 divided by 2 times a, and a is equal to 5. Now let's make the calculation, and here we have 24 plus minus 24 squared is equal to 576 minus 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 20 is 400 divided by 10. So x is equal to 24 plus minus, and when 400 is subtracted from 576, we will get 176 divided by 10. And this square root of 176 is equal to approximately 13.27. Alright, so let me substitute this value over here. So that will make it like x is equal to 24 plus minus 13.27 divided by 10. Now here I will get two values of x, one with this addition and one with this subtraction. So let me first take with subtraction and let me name it as x sub 1. So that is 24 plus 13.27 divided by 10, and this is equal to 37.27 divided by 10, that is equal to 3.727. Alright, now let me take x value with this subtraction, that will be x sub 2, second value of this x with subtraction, so 24 minus 13.27 divided by 10, that will give me 10.73. so dividing by 10, so when this 10.73 is divided by 10, we will get 1.073. Did you know there are two possible solutions for x plus y in this problem? So I will show you how to calculate both values step by step, so you will never miss a solution in your math problems again. Keep watching to find out what they are. Now we can see that x has two values, one is this one and another one is this one. So y will also have two values, and to find out those values of y, we will use this equation, that is y is equal to 2 times x minus 6. So let's use this equation to find out values of y. Alright, so y sub 1 to x, and here I will substitute value of x sub 1, that is 3.727 minus 6. So when 2 is multiplied by 3, so this will give us 7.454 minus 6. So this will be 1.454. Alright, so when x is equal to 3.727, y has a value of 1.454. Alright, now let me find y sub 2 using the same equation, but this time x sub 2 value is 1.073 minus 6, and when this is multiplied with each other, 2 times 1.073, I will get 2.146 minus 6, which is minus 3.854. So when x has a value of 1.073, y has a value of minus 3.854. As our required equation is to find x plus y, to reveal these value of x plus y, I will use these two pairs. One is this one and one is this one. So x plus y, for this pair it will be like 3.727 plus 1.454, and when these two are added, it will result as 5.181. Alright, now for this sphere, x plus y 1.073 plus and 2 minus 3.854, and this will result as minus 2.781. So we came to know that x plus y has two possible values. One is 5.181 and the other one is minus 2.781. Alright.